Okay, in this video, I will be talking about the basic Latex coding in Overleaf. We know that it's a very common platform for writing research papers. So, let's start. Let me first open a paper of mine to give an overview. Okay, this paper has almost been completed. It's on a spectrometer that we have built. Okay, so this is the compiled paper and this is the latex coding. Okay, and let me tell you one thing, that this template is not the original template. This is the IEEE conference template, but I have done some more modifications to make things easier for using the bibliography files, and I have also made some modifications in this section as well. I will share this whole template, don't worry. Okay, let me start. Okay, so this is the title, the writer's address. So you can easily understand if you just walk through this section that the author name is the title. You do not need to memorize any kind of syntax for latex coding. You can simply if you encounter any new problem or any issue, you can simply ask Google or ask ChatGPT. Okay, that's very cool and easy. So this is the abstract. This is the syntax for writing an abstract: begin and end abstract. Then the IEEE keywords. And if you use double backslash, it will, let me show you, it will generate an extra line break. File time issues. Very unfortunate. Whatever, let me try it again here. Should have worked. Why did it show any error in the first place? Okay, it has worked. An extra line break has been created. Okay, now there are the IEEE keywords here. Then introduction. Okay, let me go here. This is the section, experimental setup and workflow, and these are the subsections: hardware setup, process steps, calibration. Okay, you need to use this line, subsection, and if you wish to bold the words, you need to use this text BF. Okay, and I will show you other things like how to use ref or how to cite a paper or website. I will come to that later. These are used for inserting figures. I will come later. Okay, so this is it. This is the basic layout of a paper. This is the code for a table. It's very easy to generate. I will show you that in this video. and at the end there will be a conclusion. Here's the conclusion. Here is the conclusion, and these two lines will be in this template by default, and then this line will indicate the end of your paper. Okay, now let's start how to let me first show you how to open a project. First you will go to your Overleaf after creating your account, then you will open a template like mm, or you can copy any project that has been completed earlier. Let me just show you. I opened this, right, spectrometer. Copy, let me just name it test. Okay, now if I remove all the writings, show from the beginning how to write up your paper step by step. I'm deleting all of this, okay, things I do not need, just showing you. Okay, skip it. Okay, let's skip that also, just a sample. Okay, let me remove this as well, otherwise you will be confused. Okay, an open template will somewhat will look like this. Okay, nothing at all. Let me remove these bibliographies as well. Let me delete this whole folder as well. Okay, so this is a totally new template. You will have to change your author's name here and your title here. Okay, you'll just need to put your title. Let us begin. You know what to do. You will just put your abstract text in here and click this recompile. Okay, like hello, just this. Okay, everything will be written in here. Then your IEEE keywords as I shown earlier. Now, if I wish to insert any picture, okay, so for inserting any picture, this is the general code. Let me copy it and okay, here I can show you this. See, begin, figure, you do not need to memorize this, you will just have to copy this base code and just paste it here. Okay, so for inserting picture you will need to first insert some picture in your project. For that, go here, new folder, name it pics or whatever you want. Now go to now right click, upload, select files, then paperworks, a random JV curve of solar cell, just random. Okay, so this picture's name is JV curve .png. Okay, now you will need to refer this picture to a text. Then you will have to write like something like what should I say, the JV curve of our solar cell is depicted in figure. Now follow this syntax. backslash ref. Okay, in this bracket now, you will have to change it. Call it JV. Caption, give it any name like JV carve of cell. And this is the important part. This indicates the path of the image here. Okay, pics, under the pics folder, and then see JV curve is already showing itself. If there are multiple pictures here, you will get many options. Then you will have just select the required picture here. Okay, now you will have to use this label up here. Already it's here. Okay, let's run this and see what it gives us. Okay, so this is somewhat like a link. Okay, even if the picture is 2 pages away from your text, it will take you to that picture. Okay, let me show you this demonstration. Okay, like in this page we cannot see any kind of figure 2, but if you click it, here it is. Okay, so this is how you can label your pictures and give reference inside your text. So the image portion is done. If you wish to make this image larger, I mean if you want to take up the whole page for this image, then you will just have to use this syntax. Put asterisk and put asterisk here as well and compile. Instead of one column, this picture will now take up to 2 columns. Okay, the whole page. Okay, it's unnecessary, but if you wish to do something for a very detailed picture, you will have to use this. Okay, say if you make a small picture for this, might not suffice for you, so that's how you can enlarge a picture and take up the whole page. Let's come for table. This is a very important part. Let me open a doc of mine, a hand note you can say, Overleaf guideline. Okay, so these are very basic things. Just you can just have a look at this. Okay, you can also resize the picture even within the column, within a single column. We first use the default code. Now if you wish to make it even smaller, just use a factor like 0.7. By default it's 1, 0.7, and recompile it. It has been made even smaller than before. And for tables, you will have to use this website. Okay, tablesgenerator.com. Go here. Okay, let me first open a table, data. How many columns? 3 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 row and 3 columns. Create a table. of this dimension. 8 row, 3 columns. Done. Now go to your doc where you have prepared the table beforehand. Just simply copy it and coming here, con Control V. Okay. Now click this to give borders, and now coming here, click all of these. Okay, tick all of these options and generate. After generating, copy to clipboard, go to your latex and now paste it. Okay, you can also give certain labels and captions. So like, yeah, experimental data. You can also give any kind of label. Again, labeling is very important if you wish to keep any kind of reference, like see table ref for experimental data. It's already here. Represents the defect parameters of our cell. Okay, let's run it. So here it is, the table. If you wish to centerize the table, just use centering. Centering. Okay. If you want to take up the whole page for this table, use similar kind of structure as we used for image as well. Okay, it's in the middle. Okay, now if you write more texts, these the alignment will eventually be solved. Okay, now let's come to another important things, that is how we can create any kind of bibliography for citing any paper. For that, the easiest way is to use the Zotero software. First, install this in your computer, then just go to Zotero, log in into your Zotero, go to groups, create a new group, let's name it as test, create this group. Now go open your Zotero, sync it, just okay. Now go here, store copy of file, and any kind of PDF. Let me show you one example just. After uploading, okay, after the processing has been done, right click on it and export item, select the bibtex, okay, export notes UTF-8, keep the settings like this, Click OK and go to desktop, test, save it, open it. Okay, first test. Okay, here it is. So this is the bibtex file. Okay, we will need this to uh, cite this paper. Copy. Now go to your references.bib, paste it here. Keep in mind the label. Let me put more bibtexts as well. Okay, copy, paste. Here's another label. Now just I will show you the example like the JV car declines as higher bills. Just a random text. Okay, according to a paper. Okay, so now this is the important part. Backslash cite the two papers. Okay, that we have seen. Yeah, just insert whichever paper you want to cite and now click compile. Okay, here is it. The JV curve declines at higher VRC according to 1. Okay, the reference file has been created automatically. Okay, so you just had to generate the bibtex file, put that file inside the reference.bib folder, and then cite it like this. Now sometimes we need to cite websites as well. Let me show you that as well. Like if you wish to create reference file, copy it. The easiest way to is easiest way use ChatGPT. Okay, just paste the site and now ask it generate the bibtex file. It's very easy. Okay, you can just copy the code. You can go back here. You can also generate the bibtex files for PDFs as well. I have shown you how you can use Zotero, but you can also use ChatGPT as well. I will also show you that. Okay, so Bhaskar 2024 Node MC. Okay, you can also cite that as well. See, it's available now. Control compile, Control S compilation. See, the citation has been changed. Okay, website is not cited here. You can also use ChatGPT for generating bibtex. For that, you will have to upload your PDF, for which you will need the bibtex file. Just say generate bibtex. It's very easy. See, the same thing as you got for Zotero. You can copy the code and put that here. So the citation techniques are done, and sorry that I could not show you the required package for this. For some reason I cannot seem to remember which package to use for this. Let me try this. Okay, will share this template. Just search. Okay. Okay, so this was the basic things that you needed to know. Okay, another thing I forgot to mention, if you wish to insert any equation, you'll have to go this website. Okay, a very simple equation. If you wish to write like E G is equal to HC. Okay, so here all the syntax is given already here. Math formula, you can play with it as you wish. All the symbols are also available here, epsilon, tau, kappa. Okay, I have to write HC by lambda. For that, if you wish to use division, okay, AB by CD. Just put HC by, how to write lambda, just MVDA. If you do not know what to write, just go to Google and ask how to use lambda in latex. Oh, see, it's very easy. You can just ask Google and you will get the answer that you need. You can insert. Oh, yeah, before inserting, there is a basic structure for inserting equation. This is the body. In body, copy it, paste it. You can also give it any label as well. Label equation 1, whatever equation. Yeah, just give it any label. Okay, equation 1. This label, if you wish to use just random text, again, no relation, logical relation here. See equation, reference, ref, see equation 1. See, now compile it. See, this equation is referring to this one. Eg equal hc by lambda. Let me see if I have forgotten anything else. I don't think so. Okay, so this was all I had to show you. Thanks.